ain't the wrong. I can put that on your home, and I can get the racer with the tongue. I told you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shorty, if you down, I'm down to. Yeah, I told.
Amaterasu, also known as the Lord of Heat Haze, is an ultimate skill awakened by Benimaru during his fight against Granite of the Imperial Guardians. This skill was further modified by Seal using the information obtained by analyzing Velgrind. The essence of Amaterasu is Heat Haze, which has two main characteristics. The first characteristic is the purest embodiment of the Formhide technique and its fundamentals. The user's body turns into a literal haze whereby all manner of attacks, either physical or magical, completely pass through them. The second characteristic is sunlight and superheated flame. When these two characteristics are combined with Benimaru's swordsmanship, the resulting attack becomes incredibly powerful. Benimaru's ultimate skill, Amaterasu, is a formidable power that not only allows him to control fire and heat but also space and time. Now here's a question for you all. What is the highest evolution of Benimaru?
逃げられる者たちだけでも逃がすしか。
命令違反だぞアルビス。勝てぬと思ったら引けと言っておいた。
ベニマル様。
悪いな。完全体になってから遊んでやりたかったんだが。消えろヘルフィア。